we are going to create a shelf. So for this design, to create a shelf from the beginning, I take again rectangle tool. So I take again rectangle tool to create the layout. And I'm going to zoom on my document. And I'm going to create something with 120 centimeter and 50 centimeter, like that. And I'm going to zoom at this level. Then I'm going to take this face, I go on push-pull, and I'm going to create a push-pull to 1 meter, like this. Then I take offset, I create an offset with, I can create an offset with 5 centimeter, like that. Then I take push-pull and I'm going to push on face. After the thing that I'm going to do, it's to add the different element. So I'm going to take the tape measure tool. And for example, I know that from here to here, I have 1 meter 10. So I'm going to go in the middle at 50 centimeter. So I'm going to take the guide tool and with the guide tool I'm going to integrate a guide, so at 55 centimeter, like this. Then I take the guide and I'm going to go on the left and to add just 1 centimeter here. Or maybe, no, maybe I'm going to do something different. So here I'm going to add yes, here just 1 centimeter. And also here just 1 centimeter, like this. Then I take this tool, line tool, and I take this intersection to this intersection. And also this intersection to this intersection. Alors here I missed something, so I come back this intersection to this intersection. Then I click on this face, right click, erase. I click on this face, right click, and erase. Edit, delete guides. After I just have to take the push-pull to go on this and to push of 50 centimeter, like that. But I just need to close the path here, so to close the path, I can just take the line tool and I just need to take this point to this point, like that. So it's okay for that. Then I'm going to add 3 different steps. So again, I'm going to take the line tool and I'm going to search the middle. Now here I have a midpoint, so I'm going to take this midpoint to this midpoint. Then I'm going to take this midpoint to this midpoint also, and then this midpoint to this midpoint, like that. Then I have just to go on eraser to go on select tool, erase this face, erase this face, erase this face, and erase this face. And I'm going to add my guide. So I take the guide tool, and here I'm going to go on 1 centimeter here. I'm just not sure that the guide going to do this again. So here one guide 1 centimeter, and also here one guide 1 centimeter. Like that I have 2 centimeter. And I'm going to do the same work here. So one guide 1 centimeter and one guide 1 centimeter. Then I'm going to go at this level, one guide 1 centimeter and one guide 1 centimeter. And the positive thing is that at the same time I have also the guide for the left. Then I'm going to take rectangle tool. Our first things to do is to go on eraser tool. I'm going to erase this line, and also this line. Then I can take the rectangle tool. I'm going to create a rectangle like this. Then a rectangle like this, and then another rectangle like this. I go on the left and same work, rectangle here, rectangle here, and rectangle here also. So it's normal that now I have again the faces, so I just need to click on every faces and erase. Right click, erase. Alors here just one click and erase with right click. You select just with one click, then right click, erase. You click once, right click, erase. You click once, right click, erase, and for everything. And then I have just to create the push-pull. So I'm going to add the push-pull. So edit first, delete guides. I take the push-pull tool and I can push for 50 centimeters, like that. After here, double click. Alors it's not the right direction, so I'm going to do this again, 50 centimeters. Here 50 centimeters. Like that. And after I have just to close the path. Alors here I need to close like this. Here I need to close just with line tool. I just need to add 2 lines. And also like this. And it's okay to create the basic shelf like that. After you can also, if you want, you can add a background at this level. So you are not obliged, but you can take, for example, the rectangle tool, and you can add a rectangle here, and you can create something. Or you can take also every print if you want. So now the best things to do is to not take this print. You need to take this print and to go to this print if, for example, you want to close like this. But you are not obliged to close. You can also let open. It depends of what you want to do.